whole new start, and today we're going to be reviewing the Transformers War of Cybertron trilogy unboxing. Now this box that we're about to show you is an exclusive that has not come out yet and will be coming out at your local retail stores in June 2020. Now no one has been able to get their hands on this, but today it's possible. Now here it is, boys. There is the box. Transformers War of Cybertron trilogy. Look, my face doesn't even fit in this thing. It's so big. It's a Netflix exclusive. So this is basically related on the show that's going to be coming out soon on Netflix. And yeah, I just can't wait to open this thing up and just tell you guys, you know.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah. So let's take a look at the box first. You know, you have nice art, nice gray and dramatic art.
Guys, look at the back of it.
You have the back. You know, it says spoilers inside. We've not seen this box yet, guys. This is serious.
It's a mystery. It's a mystery.
It's big. You have spoilers inside. We have no idea what's in this box. On the other side, little tear. That's how we found it, you know. Got nice paint, rust, spark. I think that's spark iron, right?
It says spoilers, mystery stuff.
The mystery stuff. Yeah. Other side, you have Optimus Prime at his young age, just bursting out of the ground. Looks so cool, dramatic, black and white. And to the back again, real fast, you have some bullet holes if you guys didn't.
Yeah, bullet holes. Wait.
Yeah, so you have the bullet holes. You have the dramatic sequence and detail. You have Optimus Prime's symbol, Autobot symbol, and you have the handle on top. Now we're about to crack this baby open, and I think it's gonna come with the figure. What do you think it's gonna come with? Take a quick guess. 10? Crazy?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're gonna open this bad boy up. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys. We got this bad boy open. We took it out. Now let's throw it to the side.
Now we're gonna show you what it actually looks like outside.
And this is insane. Now, I forgot the name of this figure, but let's get a little close up on that real fast.
It kind of looks like Optimus from the old days.
Huh?
It kind of looks like Optimus from the old days.
So you guys can see, nice paint detail, nice sculpt. Body looks insane. It reminds me of the Ghostbusters version. I forgot the name of that guy. Comes with a few guns, tactical guns.
Oh, guys, look. If you see on the back, it has the symbol that we showed you. That little symbol.
Yeah, it has a symbol on the back. Nice artificial articulated legs. You know, comes with everything you will see in a normal Autobot, but this Autobot is literally insane.
I know.
And I gotta open this bad boy up.
Ooh.
Love to see it. Oh, wait. I will crush you. It's not Optimus Prime. But it's something better than Optimus.
Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this.
We're gonna transform it. It's gonna close up for the viewers.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is the figure that we got. Now our guesses were sadly wrong, but it doesn't really matter as long as we have the figure in our hands, and as long as we review it to you guys to, you know, have fun with you guys and review at the same time. It's
guys,
just really.
I think this is his real mate, right?
I feel like it's his buddy, or it's just a bad guy. Now let's get a close-up shot.
It got the way.
I don't think it's a Decepticon. Hold on, okay.
Oh, guys, if you didn't know what he comes with these little electro thingies. He comes with these little electro thingies. If you guys can see that.
Yeah, I think it's for this guy. Now he transforms as well. I just don't know if he's connected to the not Optimus. It's somebody else. I can't really get a close up on that guy. I'm so sorry. I really can't. I don't know why it's not letting me. But anyway, we believe this is his pal or just another fiend.
Yeah.
Now coming back to this big guy, boy, do I have some transforming.
Comment down below
who you think this is.
Yeah, I don't even know who that is.
I totally forgot who
a different Optimus or something?
Yeah, it's probably Optimus' father. Anyway, this guy's ginormous. I cannot wait to transform it, and you guys just go on, man. Alright, see you in a few seconds.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're back. We were gonna transform into vehicle mode, but we actually wanted to go back and show you guys the whole sculpt and all of his accessories. Now his name is Ultra Magnus. We just found that out. Just came with the instructions to build this guy, and we're gonna build him right at the end. Ooh, look at that thing that has like a gazillion instructions. It's just crazy. And he comes with the little pink guy. His name is Battlefield Run. We just found that out. We're gonna get to him in a few minutes. We're gonna turn him around. We're gonna show you all of his moves and all that stuff. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, so starting off, you can obviously see that he has blasters with zappers coming out just to make the effect look really really cool, right? Really cool and stylish. You also have 2 blasters, so it comes with 2 blasters to make the effect pop out. It comes with 2 zappers, well, 1 big zapper and 2 little zappers on the sides. Really get a little close up there, guys. Look at that beauty. You got 1 right here, 1 right there, and you got the same one on the left side, and there's 1 on the right side. So as you can see, it's a ginormous cannon, it only comes with 1, guys. Only 1 ginormous cannon, just for visual effects. And moving on to the back.
He has his little friend
Battlefield Run. It's his guard. We just found out. We actually thought it was Decepticon. It's actually an Autobot. So these guys are Autobots, right? So as you can see, we're gonna get a little. You can see he has his Autobot symbol on the back, trunk, all of that, man. It's just so articulated and so much good paint job. Going around one more time. Oh, one more thing. If you guys look closely at the glass, it looks almost like a skull, which is really cool. Like I've never seen this guy in any movie or any show. I have not seen him once. But that is like all the sculpt, and we got a close up on the face, guys. Zoom down real quick. You guys can see his face right there. Get a little close up on his face. He has blue eyes, a blue head sculpt, and silver covering up his face and his mouth. One more time around the whole body.
This is a really cool guy.
It's really cool, man.
Yeah.
And to just talk about him in person,
it's really hard to
and to be the first people to actually find this is just crazy.
It's hard to transform.
It's hard to transform too, guys. Like it's so much. So what's really cool is that he comes in red, white, and blue, which is like the American flag, which is like so cool. America, land of the free! So cool. Alright, guys, we're gonna take him into Autobot mode. I mean, not Autobot. Oh my god. Vehicle mode. We'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay, guys. So yeah, I wanted to do a really quick comparison between all of these Transformers. Some of them are from basically all of them are from the War of Cybertron Trilogy Siege line. All these guys from the Siege line. This is from War of Cybertron, I believe. So yeah, so I wanted to do a size comparison. This is Astro Train, just by back to back, or you can just take them off his base, like right now. Hold on, guys. So you take them off the base. You gotta do really carefully. Do not do reckless mistakes like I'm doing right now, guys. Just don't do it. It's really there you go. There's the shuttle. So it comes in this little padding. It comes with guns and all that stuff. Really cool.
Yeah, and if you guys can see them without the stand thing.
The stand thing comes with a few accessories. We left it by accident, but as you can see, he's in a shuttle, right? So basically, this little padding makes it taller. But let's just do a quick size comparison. Bro, like these 2 guys are giant. I think this is the biggest ones.
Look at this cool Optimus, guys.
We also have Optimus. We're about to be comparing them too.
Yeah, look at that. You guys can see.
Just so cool.
Yeah. You won't find this anywhere else.
Yeah, well, maybe you will, but it's gonna be a little higher price.
Yeah.
Probably. Put Astro Train over to the side.
All of these guys so far.
Alright, Optimus Prime. This is the animated series of the Siege line. Now there's others that look how do I say it? Like a movie version, but this is the animated series. So if we do just another side comparison back to back, you can see Ultra
Ultra Magnus.
Ultra Magnus is like ginormous. This guy's like, I think he's like the biggest transformer. There's bigger Decepticons, but like for Autobot wise, it's literally like the biggest one, which is crazy. So let's put Optimus to the side. We're gonna go Bumblebee because he's the second largest, and then we're gonna go Mini
Look, if you guys can see Bumblebee, this is actually my Bumblebee, but he has this like cool guns.
Yeah, he has cool machine guns.
You cannot find this anywhere else. I think this was the last
Target.
one.
I think this is the last one.
Yeah, Target.
Yeah.
That was
as
the
Chris said, really articulated, cool figure. Go pick it up at a
It
local
turns
Target.
up into a Jeep and stuff.
Yeah, let's put it back to back.
Yeah.
Jesus, look how big Ultra Magnus is, bro. Bumblebee, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man.
Come on,
Bumblebee's to the side. It's obvious who won there.
Come on.
And it's obvious who's about to win again. Now, this is Mini Cliff Jumper. He's part of the Siege line as well.
We have a big one, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
we have a really big one, but we don't know who went. But as you can see, there's no competition, but we'll just do another one.
He has another Optimus somewhere.
Yeah, there's another one somewhere. It's like the movie version, realistic version.
Yeah, it's over
But we
there.
already know who won. So I just want to do that real
Wait,
fast. Huh? No. So I just want to do that real fast, guys. Now we're gonna get to the transforming. Alright guys, so we just transformed Ultra Ultra Magnus into his vehicle mode. This is the biggest, basically by far biggest Transformer Autobot in his vehicle mode that I've ever seen in my life. Now, this guy is literally like stacked.
If you guys watch our videos, like and subscribe.
Remember, always like, subscribe, comment down below and all that stuff. But before, I want to do a quick comparison, but before we do that, I have no idea why. Okay, so there was this little part, right? It's like, we opened it, it was heavy, it was literally black tar clay. We take it out, and we find 3 cubes of Energon. Like that, I find that so genius right now. Like,
I think there's a real Energon, or it's like.
Look, 3 cubes of Energon. It's just crazy. Man.
What if it's real?
But it's just crazy, man. Oh, it's coming up right now. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Holy.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like Play-Doh, but it's not clay.
That makes me throw up.
There's a little close-up, guys. Oh, sorry about my fingers.
This cube. What if this?
That's crazy, man.
Nah, what if, if you guys didn't know, my nickname is Chris, by the way. But Matthew's trying to come up with this. But I'm just gonna call him Joker Wild One.
My gamer tag. Alright, cool. So, yeah, that's what we found. And apparently it's Energon, which is insane.
It's Energon to Optimus and Bumblebee.
Oh, yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about. Yeah, so we're going to do a comparison of these two. This is the G1 series of Optimus Prime. It's his trailer truck. Here's the G1 that we have of Optimus Prime, which is really cool.
And if you guys really love Bumblebee, comment down below.
Your favorite Transformer.
Look at that up front if you guys have any guns like that.
And then when you open it, oh, whoopsie.
What the? Oh, guys, if you didn't remember this, Optimus is
comes with his own Energon. Fits in that little tube right there, which is just crazy.
I can't put it in.
But enough for Optimus. Let's just get to his trailer and this big truck.
We need to figure out what this Energon does.
Yeah. So we have the G1 series truck from Optimus, and we have Ultra Magnus. Magnus, sorry. Now, like I said, this is the biggest by far Autobot truck or trailer that I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is insane. Just look at all.
Well, look at this part. Look at that part. It just came off.
Nice gun.
No, it popped off.
Oh yeah, put it back on.
Joker.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, there you go. If you just look at that, that's just crazy, man. Look how much.
Wait, it's lighting up. The Energon's lighting up.
It's not. You see the front right there, nice detail, really cool.
Guys, look at that. If you guys don't see that, the Energon is kind of lighting up. They put like a little light inside
Go
it.
another way. Same thing with guns, all tactical, ready to go. Transform on the back. Got his feet right there, really detailed. I love the color on this one. It's like so cool.
Matthew, If they did not know this, I think they put like a little light down there to make it lit.
See. No, it's cute. Like Captain the Cube in Fortnite.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, guys. If you guys want to see real fast, the G1 series truck, Optimus Prime, comes in the little. Oh, sorry. It comes in the little robot that can repair him. There's a little hole on the back. If you guys can see right there by the wheels. Put them on there. Click them on. They can repair. And it can move around, go crazy. You know?
Yeah.
So basically, that is really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe.
Which one is your favorite Autobot, Bumblebee or Optimus? Comment down below and subscribe.
And subscribe, and always make sure to subscribe.
No, wait, I think you said that.
Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace.